They proposed some proposal, which is we as a ADMK legislative party to form the government with the support of the DMK government, which is against our founding principles. Because the ADMK was founded because of to uproot the DMK, the evil force, to wipe out the evil force DMK in Tamil Nadu. That is the only and foremost aim of the ADMK, which is now founded by our Dr. MGR and which was saved and protected by my Amma. But now some proposal which is against our principle, basic principle of our party. To align with the DMK, we are not, our legislative parties and party men are against to that proposal. We opposed. So, and our legislative party in the meeting, we take a decision. It is against our party interest. If we align with the DMK, ADMK will be wiped out in future. So we are against. So we are, as a legislature party, passed a resolution against that proposal, and also legislative party as a majority member elected Thiru SP Velumani as a floor leader as a ADMK floor leader, and also we passed a resolution. We accept the people mandate. The people mandate is for not for TVK. The mandate is for Chief Minister Vijay. That is foremost important. That we have to understand that. The mandate is for Vijay to become a Chief Minister. So we respect people mandate. So to respect the people mandate, we wholeheartedly congratulate. First of all, we congratulate Chief Minister Thiru Vijay, and wholeheartedly we as a ADMK party and ADMK legislative party support and extend our support to the TVK government headed by Chief Minister.